Hi friends, welcome to Chef Guru's kitchen. Today we are going to make egg dum biryani. जब रमज़ान मंथ है तो बिरयानी तो बनता ही है, तो चले मतलब बिरयानी बनाते हैं. Okay, let's start our egg biryani. We are going to use around 2 tablespoons of oil. This is the same oil I used for brown onion. To add bay leaf, cinnamon stick, star anise, patar kapoor, and javitri, black cardamom and red cardamom, and shai jeera, and clove, and some jeera. These all biryani masalas. Yeah, let's saute it a little bit. Add 1 whole tomato. Saute the tomato a little bit. Yeah, I'm adding a little bit of salt in it so that the tomato gets cooked faster. Yeah, meanwhile I am adding around 3 to 4 green chilies for ginger garlic paste. So I am adding a little bit of water in it because I am going to add all turmeric and chili powder now. Before that I am going to add a little bit of water. It's already added. Okay, I am adding a little bit of turmeric powder and half teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of chili powder, and very little amount of garam masalas. And now I am going to add 2 brown onion. Already I fried some onion. Around 2 numbers of onion should be more than enough for 3 person. Yeah. Now I am adding around 3 tablespoon of curd. Just mix it together. Whenever you are adding curd, you always remember cook it on the low flame. Now the curd is completely cooked. Yeah, now it's time to add boiled egg. I'm adding around 6 boiled egg. And I'm going to add coriander leaf and some mint leaf. Now that egg and the gravy is ready to go. Meanwhile, we are going to cook the basmati rice. We are going to parboil the basmati rice. The parboil is nothing, it's half cooked basmati rice. That's what actually we are going to do now. We are adding the hot water is already ready. We are going to add some spices and we'll cook the basmati rice for half done. It's called parboiling. That's the way actually we are going to do it now. Yeah, now I am going to cook the basmati rice, half cooked basically. The hot water, I am putting star anise, black cardamom, and cloves, cinnamon stick, and some green chilies, and salt. We are going to blanch the rice before putting on. And water is boiled now. We'll take out all the garam masalas out because these all garam masalas helps to add on flavor in the rice. That's why we added in a water the masalas. And now I'm going to add around 1.5 cup of basmati rice. It's soaked basmati rice. It took around 30 minutes. I just soaked this rice. I'm going to add the basmati rice in the water. and it takes another 5 to 10 minutes to get parboiled. The blanched rice is 3/4 cooked. Now we are going to strain, take out the water now. Yeah, drained all water, and I kept a little bit of water for final cooking. It's half done, almost 3/4 done basmati rice. I'm just putting a layer of basmati rice on bottom of the pan. Now I'm going to place all egg mixture in between the rice. Now I am putting all the rest of the rice. This is a flavored rice. We already added enough flavor in it. Spread it equally. I am adding around 1 more cup of water, which I use for blanching the rice. And we're going to add saffron and some rose water in it to give nice color. And some brown onion on top of this. Some mint leaf, chopped mint, and some coriander. And we are going to do dum now. As I said, it's a parboiled rice. It hardly takes another 10 minutes to cook entirely. It's ready to cook the dum now. And I am adding around 2 teaspoons of desi ghee. Yeah. Now I'm placing it on a hot plate for around 10 to 15 minutes. I'm just placing a lid on top of this. If you want to use the dough, you can cover it with some dough to seal that pot. I'm just using a plate, which is good enough, and I am keeping a weight on top of that, which helps to do the dum. I'm just leaving it like this for around 10 to 15 minutes. The flame I'm just reduced already. It takes around 10 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes. Let's see after that. Now it's been around 15 minutes now. Let's check. Wow, it's so flavorful, and a lot of brown onion on top of that. Let me check. Yeah, the basmati rice is well cooked now. It's ready to serve now. Yes, I'm going to serve now. Some masala rice as well as your boiled egg. Wow, that smells like heaven now. Just garnish with some brown onion and mint leaf on top of this, and that's it. Thank you.